Your VMware Cloud Foundation 9.0 exam is closer than you think. Are you actually ready? Memorizing notes won't save you. This exam tests how you think. In this video, you'll face real exam-style questions for the 2V0-13.25 exam with sharp explanations that break down exactly why each answer works. We'll cover architecture design, lifecycle management, and workload domains, the areas that matter most. Don't just watch. Pause and answer before each explanation. That's how you find your weak spots before the exam does. Let's get into it. Question 1. Which component in VMware Cloud Foundation is responsible for automating the deployment and lifecycle management of the entire stack? A. vCenter Server. B. NSX Manager. C. SDDC Manager. D. vSphere Lifecycle Manager. Take a moment. What do you think? The correct answer is C. SDDC Manager. SDDC Manager is the core component in VMware Cloud Foundation 9.0 that automates deployment, configuration, and lifecycle management of the full stack, including compute, storage, and networking. Many candidates confuse this with vSphere Lifecycle Manager, but that only handles ESXi lifecycle, not the entire SDDC. Question 2. What is the primary purpose of a workload domain in VMware Cloud Foundation? A. To isolate networking configurations only. B. To separate management and user workloads. C. To manage storage policies. D. To replace vCenter Server. Think carefully. This is where many candidates slip. The correct answer is B. To separate management and user workloads. Explanation. Workload domains allow you to logically separate environments, for example, production versus development, each with its own vCenter, NSX, and policies. This is critical for scalability, security, and multi-tenant architectures, something heavily tested in the exam. Question 3. Which feature ensures consistent patching and upgrades across the VMware Cloud Foundation stack? A. vSAN Health Service. B. VMware ARIA Operations. C. NSX Edge Nodes. D. SDDC Manager Lifecycle Management. If you're thinking like a pen tester, this should be clear. The correct answer is D. SDDC Manager Lifecycle Management. Explanation. Lifecycle management in VMware Cloud Foundation is centralized through SDDC Manager, ensuring all components are upgraded in a validated and coordinated manner. This reduces compatibility risks, a key architectural concern. If you want more realistic VMware Cloud Foundation 9.0 practice questions, platforms like CertsHero provide exam-level scenarios that closely match the actual test format. Question 4. Which NSX component is responsible for providing routing between logical networks? A. NSX Manager. B. Tier 0 Gateway. C. ESXi Host. D. vSAN. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is B. Tier 0 Gateway. Explanation. The Tier 0 Gateway in NSX handles north-south routing, connecting logical networks to external networks. Understanding NSX architecture is critical. Expect multiple questions like this in the exam. Question 5. What is the first domain deployed in VMware Cloud Foundation? A. Management Domain. B. Workload Domain. C. Compute Domain. D. Storage Domain. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is A. Management Domain. Explanation. The management domain is deployed first and hosts all core components like vCenter, NSX Manager, and SDDC Manager. Without this, no additional workload domains can be created. You just tested your knowledge on key VMware Cloud Foundation 9.0 exam topics. But the real exam goes deeper. Question 6. An organization needs complete isolation between production and development, along with independent lifecycle updates in VMware Cloud Foundation 9.0. What should the architect design? A. Separate clusters in one workload domain. B. Resource pools for each environment. C. Separate workload domains. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is C. Separate workload domains. Explanation. Only workload domains provide full separation with independent lifecycle, networking, and management components. Other options offer partial or logical isolation only. Question 7. A company wants to upgrade VMware Cloud Foundation 9.0 while ensuring compatibility and minimal risk. What is the recommended approach? A. Upgrade ESXi hosts manually first. B. Use SDDC Manager for upgrades. C. Upgrade NSX separately. D. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is B. Use SDDC Manager for upgrades. Explanation: SDDC Manager follows a validated upgrade sequence, ensuring compatibility across the stack and reducing failure risk. In the next videos, we're stepping it up with advanced scenarios, design-focused questions, and deeper architect-level challenges. If you're serious about passing, check out Certs Hero practice questions built to simulate the real exam and sharpen your decision-making. Head to certshero.com and start practicing now. And don't forget to subscribe. Your journey to becoming a certified VMware architect starts here.